If you have a new account on Facebook and you're getting the "you have created too many pages on Facebook" error, this is how to fix that. There's two things that you need to do. The first thing is use VPN, because Facebook has probably blocked you from creating pages based on where you were located. And the second thing is use Facebook Lite instead of Facebook. In our Play Store or App Store, type in Thunder VPN, and then the first result will be the one that we want. And then we're just going to install it. This is going to take a bit. Then we're going to click on Open. Accept the terms of service. And we're going to have to consent. Then you're going to get a prompt to upgrade to VIP, and you can just go ahead and close that by clicking the X in the upper right corner. And then we're just going to click Connect, and then OK. And then we're going to go back to the Play Store. And then just type Facebook Lite. And once we find it, we're just going to click Install. This is also going to take a bit. And then once it's installed, we're just going to hit Open. In my case, I won't allow my contacts. Then we're going to just log in. In my case, I will press Not Now to saving login info. And I will skip adding a profile picture. And I will not allow notifications. And now, when you're in Facebook Lite, you can go ahead and click on the three little lines in the top right corner and go to Pages, then click Create a Page, and then you can go from there.